Growing up, I wasn't a fan of my parents' mantra of learn to be comfortable outside of your comfort zone. Today, it's the sole reason behind me having a dream job, my wonderful life, and even the love of my life. It's funny how much your childhood experiences can shape the rest of your life. I grew up in the Italian countryside, 20 minutes south of Milan. Summer wasn't my favorite time. Mama worked and Papa had his own textile business. They sent me to a summer camp every year, making me cry each time I left home. I'd ask, why do you make me go when you know how much I hate it? They'd say, you must learn to be comfortable outside your comfort zone. Reflecting, I'm grateful. Those experiences shaped my choices later in life. In my 4th year of engineering, I opted for a study abroad program in Barcelona. Accidentally in the wrong class, a product innovation lecture fascinated me. I realized I wanted to pursue design. Choosing to focus my final thesis on innovation theories, I landed a job at a design company after graduation. Feeling like a fish out of water, I held on to my parents' mantra, thriving outside my comfort zone. When asked to move to Boston, I jumped at the chance. Being an Italian in the States had challenges. I remember being called in the HR manager's office for showing up to work in my cowboy boots and shorts. I felt like an outsider, but my colleagues made it better. And amongst them was the love of my life, Kim. Destiny brought us together. Our conversations grew us closer. We met in June, and by July we were together. I had only dated men before, but falling in love with a woman felt right. Telling my Catholic family came with reservations. They sought help, eventually embracing it. Now they love Kim like a daughter, and I'm so proud of them. A life of chances led to beautiful experiences. A career I love, traveling worldwide, living in various cities, and marrying the woman I love. These experiences prepared me for a big challenge, building a design team at Fractal 3 years ago. Integrating my design expertise with artificial intelligence and analytics, which was an unknown field for me, has been as out of my comfort zone as it can get. But it's been really fulfilling too. Putting systems in place with my team allowed us to create a safe space that we can call home and not just a workplace. During challenging times, I tell them, you struggle, I struggle, we struggle together. This connection allowed me to forge a beautiful bond with everyone here. I've never shied away from being open about my sexual orientation, having a wife, or anything else. In this empowering journey, Fractal has played a pivotal role as a safe space for my professional growth. The accepting culture has facilitated my active participation in the DE&I community, offering platforms such as town halls and this video, which have further encouraged me to share my story. I hope my journey inspires others to follow their hearts and take risks, even if it's an unconventional path. Like my parents say, be comfortable being uncomfortable.